WWE Basic 88 in Australia. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Jason Strider, WWE Action Figure Collector. Welcome to the video. It's Jason Strider, WWE Action Figure Collector, back again with Basic 88 that I got from the shops today. I can't believe it. I got a showcase. Look at that, all in orange. This is freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. All in orange. As I said, look at the head sculpture. Look at it. It's great. It's great. It's Basic 88. Here, Kmart. No, I didn't get it at Kmart. Didn't get it at Big W. No, I didn't. I got them at Target. That's right, everybody. Target. Everybody already knows, but I've actually got the full set now. $12 each. What a bargain. How excellent. Got the full set. $12 each. Target. Oh, I can't believe it. And it's the next one. And it's this guy. What? This isn't guy. This is a sexy Sasha Banks. Oh yeah, sexy Sasha Pranks. Banks. Sexy Sasha Pranks. Banks. This is great. Look at a beautiful head sculpture. Awesome. Nice t-shirt. I love her t-shirt. It's very awesome. And her outfit's a bit plain. What? Plain? Oh well, doesn't matter. But her t-shirt is awesome. I got it for her t-shirt because she's so hot. That is excellent figurine. Right, next one. Sasha Banks got the full set. Baron Corbin, boring. Didn't he already come out like in the figurines, like in Basic 80 or 79? I can't remember. But I do like the t-shirt. I didn't get it. That's why I got this one. It's awesome. He's got long hair. What? He's got short hair now. Yeah, so that's awesome. If you don't have the figurine, get it at Target. $12, might as well just complete the whole set. That's freaking awesome. Next one is this guy. Yes, John Seaman. Check out his t-shirt. It's orange. It's awesome. His head sculpture is awesome too. His orange t-shirt is awesome. Respect, whatever, earn it. Awesome. Awesome. Wearing blue pants. Awesome. Excellent. $12, Target, got the full set. That is good. I like that John Cena figurine. That is really awesome. Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, that's really cool. Awesome. Next one. And the very last one, ladies and gentlemen, Elias. Oh my god, it's Elias. The very first Basic. I already got the Elite at Big W, but this is Target. $12, Elias. Look at that one. First in line at the Basics. That's freaking awesome. I might as well get it. And I've gotten it. And I've got the full set. And that's it, everybody. That was awesome. Great adventure at the shops today. It's awesome. But not only I got the full set of 88. That's WWE Basic 88, that is. I now got the full set of these goddamn Sound Slammers Series 1. They just pressed their dicks. I'm at their belts.
This conversation is over.
That's right. It's Seth freaking Rollins. And I got it. I got it at Kmart, $25, a bit expensive, but hey, you might as well start collecting while you can. You might as well get them all. Like me, I'm not a selector, I'm a collector. Anyway, I've got it. To get the full set, $25 each, bit steep Mattel, but doesn't matter, who cares? I've got Seth freaking Rollins. What else do you have to say? Yeah. That's awesome, and that's right. I've got the full set now. So I got the rest last time, and now all I needed was Seth freaking Rollins. I've got it at Kmart. That's pretty awesome. Right, Big W. I've got some cards. They're $6 fucking each. They're quite expensive because it's got live on them. So they're $6 fucking each. Let's open the fuckers up now. Fucking all this fucking plastic. Save the Australian environment. What a get some fucking scissors onto it. Yeah. Yeah. Right. We've opened the fuckers. There's 3, right? 3 of 5, so that's 15. 15 fucking cards for freaking $6 fucking. Right. Let's fucking open these. Don't need scissors no more. No. Fucking hell, what was that? Fuck, I've broken something. Who cares? Doesn't matter. It's just John Seaman. Right. So there's 5. Oh, look at that. It's got all that, like all that live and shit. Alright, I got this one. That's pretty sweet, eh? Look at that. That's pretty fucking awesome. Oh, look at this one. That's pretty fucking awesome too, eh? Alright, I got this one. Look at that. Are they upside down? Fucking, I don't know. Alright. Oh, look at this one. That's fucking awesome too, eh? That's awesome. Oh, look at that one. That's fucking awesome. Excellent. That one, did I already show that one? Anyway, yeah. That's the first pack. What a waste of money. Huh? $6 for fucking 15 cards. Hang on, there's only 5 cards here. Oh, fucking, oh, there's more here. Yeah, alright. Let's got Stone Cold on it and that. Let's open him up. Boom. We'll open up the packet anyway. Here we go. Rubbish, more rubbish for the environment. Right, $6 each. No, $6 for whatever. Pack of 15. Right, let's go. Got that one. Oh, look at that one. That's fucking awesome, isn't it? Are they upside down? They probably are. Just pretend they're the right way around. Right, it's NXT. I can see it from the other side. Raw. Here we go. Yeah. Another Raw one. Probably a double. Awesome. Which one's the rare one? I don't know. I'm not looking. One of them is. Yeah, so yeah, cards, big W, 15 cards, $6, pack of 3. There we go, it's got Ric Flair on it and that. Woohoo. Thank you for tuning in, everybody, and that's what I picked up at the shops today in Australia. And yeah, thank you for watching, and this is the last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. If you missed out, too bad. Alright, now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, let me shuffle it up a bit. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's all I've got. I've got them all. There's heaps to collect for $6 fucking each. That's why I only got one pack of 15. No, I've got $6, 15 cards, 3 packs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, they upside down. Ah, shit. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hey, there's new basic SummerSlam at Kmart coming soon. Fake news. Got ya.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Jacob Stott, the WWE Action Figure Collector. And if you already have, thank you very much.